Hello, the Purple Butterfly here, otherwise known as People7 on Twitter and YouTube, People elsewhere on the internet. My soaps look at PurpleButterfly-soaps.myshopify.com, my blog, PurpleButterfly-people.blogspot.com. And today I have an unboxing. This person that is a member of Biggest channel bought one of my soaps, and I found out that she basically has a yarn company with knitting patterns and all that, and I went, ooh, what's your website? And I went to the website and I seen this gorgeous yarn that spoke to me, so I ordered myself something special. And look at the packaging. Is that gorgeous or what? Yeah. So let's open this up, shall we? And I got myself a sticker that says, it's not hoarding if it's yarn. Because look at that pile of yarn over there. Oh, I need better scissors. Okay. Well, a better pair of utility scissors, because I have sewing scissors everywhere. But I won't use the sewing scissors for this, because, well, then that would possibly dull them. Okay. Ooh, there's a card attached. Hold on. Wow, that's gorgeous. Okay, we'll get to that in a second. Let's see what the card says. Oh, there's my sticker. Oh, hold on. Let's get to the viewfinder. Just gotta figure out where in this place I'm gonna put that. It's not hoarding if it's yarn. I'm thinking of putting it right over there where I keep most of my yarn. You know, not counting the bin that's full of yarn. Thank you for your purchase as a supporting small business. And there's her information. If you like yarn, knitting, crochet, all of that, check her out. The company is called GetKnitFaced in Colorado. Love that name. And that's my packing slip. And now for the pièce de résistance. Let's open this up. It's purple, it's pink, there's some blue in there, and it's double knit weight. Look at that. Is that gorgeous or what? Ooh. There's some peach in there too, looks like. I'm thinking that's gonna be a pair of socks, maybe. Oh, in case anybody ever wondered, because it took me a while to figure it out too, when you get hanks of yarn that looks like this, there's a certain way you open it, okay? You flip that part over, and then just unwind, and now you have a hank. So, that smells good. In case you've ever wondered, now you know. Now the tricky part is getting it back in the skein once you discomboomerate it. I do it this way. Then get it back. And then put one end over the other. And now you can hold it until it's time to make a project out of it. And then, you know, I can't twist it back up as tight as it was, but at least it's not loose anymore. You know what I'm saying? But I just thought I'd share that. 75% merino wool, 25% nylon, 4-ply. 22 stitches for 4 inches, or a size 5 needle, up to 7 for 4.5 needle. Huh, good to know, good to know. Now let me very carefully remove that so I do not destroy those instructions or the yarn content. So that way I can wrap it around the yarn so that way it doesn't get lost in my stash, because this will be stashed until I decide what I'm going to do with it. And the most annoying thing on the whole planet is when you have a yarn, especially one that's a specialty yarn, and then you lose the washing instructions or the content, and then you automatically are relegated to everything has to be hand washed because I don't know what I did with it. But I knew that was probably going to have to be hand washed anyway because it's hand dyed. She put all those colors together herself in the pattern that it came out, the colors that she chose, one color to go with this color, and let's make a blend. And yeah, so pink and blue, I'm guessing is what made the purple when it melded. But you know, it's just a gorgeous, gorgeous skein of yarn. So yeah, thought I'd share that. And as you can tell, I'm still hanging in there with these box braids. I just did a video on how to maintain them, so go check that out. I do need to, well, have a little patience because my roots are showing, and I do not want to take my hair down to re-bleach the roots and re-dye the hair. So basically, it's just going to be dark and gray hair growing out for a while. And then when I get tired of the braids, I'll just go ahead and bleach my roots and, you know, re-dye the pink and probably put the braids back in because, yeah, I'm digging this style for summer. This has been Peepla7 on Twitter and YouTube, Peepla elsewhere on the internet. My soaps located at PurpleButterfly-Soaps.myshopify.com, my blog, PurpleButterfly-Peepla.blogspot.com. Y'all stay blessed and stay tuned. And go get you some of this yarn. This stuff is amazing. I actually wanted to get fingering weight, but that was sold out. Bulk was sold out. Worsted weight was sold out. I just happened to come across this one that wasn't sold out. I would have got two, but there was only one available. So now that's probably sold out too until next time she dyes that particular colorway. So get in touch with her, get you some yarn. Or check out her webpage because she's got some fun stuff on there. Especially some of the knitted washcloths. Fun sayings. You just got to go check that out. This has been Peepla. Bye now. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yeah. On Facebook, she's GetKnitFacedInCo. GetKnitFacedInCo on Instagram, Pinterest.com/GetKnitFacedInCo. Info for email is info@GetKnitFacedInCo.com, and her website is www.GetKnitFacedInCo.com, which is Colorado. Yeah, I am very happy with my purchase. Look at this yarn. I love her labels. But yeah. And this has been P+7. Bye now. Beautiful yarn.